Welcome to Work Global News. Today's spotlight is on how entrepreneurs can harness Instagram SEO to gain visibility on Google. In the digital era, online presence is everything, and with search engines now indexing Instagram posts, your content can do much more than just live on the app. It can show up in global search results. The article emphasizes that Instagram SEO has shifted from being a niche tactic to a vital part of marketing strategy. Entrepreneurs who optimize their Instagram content with smart keyword research and relevant hashtags are increasing their chances of being discovered by new customers. By tapping into tools like Google Trends or Keyword Planner, business owners can align their posts with what people are actively searching for. But visibility isn't just about keywords, it's also about creating high-value content. Explainer videos, tutorials, and even day-in-the-life clips are proving effective in showcasing expertise while connecting with audiences. Strategic use of captions, alt text, and bios further strengthens SEO impact. The message is clear. Consistency and intentional strategy on Instagram can elevate your authority, attract new clients, and expand your brand's reach. You're listening to Work Global News, bringing you insights that keep you informed and ahead. For more career stories, visit workglobalnews.com.